This is how you remove the center part that holds the bobbin case in place on a 301 hook assembly, so it can be used for a Featherweight 221. There's a little screw here. You take a jeweler screwdriver to remove it. And then the hook assembly opens up. Rotate this tab to the meaty part of the hook assembly, and then it pops right out. When you replace the other piece, take a toothbrush, and there's grooves here that tend to get filled up on this point, and just taking a toothbrush like that would clean it out. An assembly is the same way. When you put it back in, you take the meaty part of the assembly in that tab, insert that first, it sits down into place, and make sure you can rotate it. Fold the hook back over, put your little screw into place. And then tighten it up. Like that.